Welcome to Intech Education TV. Here is an example of a question which you are asked to simplify. So here we are going to regroup it because we have AB and the other side we have what? XY. So what we are going to do here, we are going to have what? 3AB plus, is there any AB again? Yes, we have what? 4AB plus 4AB. You have to regroup them. Then another one again here, the AB has finished, so we start using the XY. The first one is 5XY, then plus what? Plus 6XY. Okay, from the equation here to here supposed to be Y. Okay, here supposed to be Y. So from there, what we are going to have here, we are going to add the two together. That's these two together here, these two together, and also these two together. Okay, so here we are going to have 3AB plus 4AB, which will give us 7AB plus 5XY plus 6XY will give us 11XY. So here we write 11XY. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video and also smash on the notification button. Thank you.